So as of right now, we don't have new tokens being minted onto the market, which is very good as far as from a tokenomic perspective. So I'm going to continue to hold GMX. Definitely with the October being a bullish month and Q4 being bullish, if we follow the trend we normally do, I think this could be a big winner going into this next cycle. So keep GMX on your calendar. Use the platform if you want. I'll drop the link in the chat. Very good trade right now. And if you look at the 90 day as well, the previous high that we hit in early September was about 55. It looks like we could and are trying to currently break that level. So if we do break that level, let me go to the 180 day, we go to all time. Yeah, this is basically the highest it's ever been. The all-time high was, let's see, $62. So we're only 17% from the all-time high. So if we do break $62, we're going to be in price discovery, and there's really no telling, where this coin could reach, especially with the low circulating supply. So keep GMX on your radar. Definitely has momentum, great volume. Just keep it on your radar. Another quick one is XCAD Network. I've been hearing a lot about this token, and basically what it is, if I click on their website, so we had move to earn, we had play to earn, we had everything to earn. Now we got watch to earn. And basically what this is this is going to give YouTubers the ability to have their own tokens that can be monetized through their YouTube pages. So for example, a couple of the biggest supporters that are backing it and currently adopting it, using it, promoting it is Mr. Beast, for example. So if you know about Mr. Beast, he's probably one of the most well-known YouTubers there is as far as revenue, ad revenue.
Hey, he just turned down $1 billion. They tried to buy him out for $1 billion. He was like, "No, I'm good."
Right. They tried to buy his whole channel, all content rights for $1 billion. He turned them down. And I don't know if you guys watch any of the Nelk Boys podcast, but he was just on there this week, and he mentioned XCAD, and even just with the YouTube shorts, how they're going to monetize those starting next year with a 50-50 split. This is where a lot of these guys are banking to make their money going forward on these platforms. So we kind of want to be the first people to start investing in this, kind of like we were with the move to earn. If you're early and move to earn, early and play to earn, there's tons and tons of money to be made. So there's videos, 2-minute video kind of going over the basics of what XCAD is. But essentially it's just going to be a plugin through Chrome that you can link directly to your YouTube, and then you can earn the creator's token just for watching their content. So if Mr. Beast has his own token built on XCAD for watching his content, you can earn that token. And then it's going to be up to the creators to have incentives or ways to convert those tokens to real life value, whether that's access to private memberships, private videos, cash back, exchange them for the YouTube stars, which are, actual currency, you name it. They're also going to add like staking features. So if you're earning these tokens from watching these YouTube videos, the creator can set a certain percentage. Obviously they have to provide that liquidity, but they can also reward the users for having their tokens by giving them the ability to stake them. All right. He also kind of talked about the bigger the tokens or the more tokens you hold, aka the more loyalty you have to the channel, you can actually help shift some of the content that gets presented next. So, I think it's a really cool concept. I've seen a couple of concepts like this, but I don't think I've seen one that's as polished and has this much functionality. Just from a token standpoint, pure market cap standpoint, very, very small, only $50 million market cap. Volume is decent, especially for a project that's kind of getting its stride at 4 million a day, and token supply right now is only 24 million. Okay, so even looking at the trend, the all-time low was 50 cents. Right now we're at $2, and all-time high was about $9, which was early January of this year. So, they're making a comeback even in the bear market, past 30 days up 25%. But, I'm always looking for the next big thing and what can kind of pay me going forward for the next wave that we have. So, I'm definitely keeping my eyes on it. The roadmap has a lot of stuff coming up. They have Twitch integration. So if you're big on Twitch and you know how much these freaking people are making just streaming, I mean, I don't know if you guys play Madden, which is just a football game, but there's guys on there making $1,000 a day just on Twitch. So, imagine when they can have their own tokens with all these different incentives. I mean, it could be huge. So, definitely something cool to look at. They got a lot of stuff coming out Q4, and then they'll update the roadmap soon for 2023. Yeah, so yeah, XCAT is a buy. DeAndre said yes, sir. Yeah, DeAndre know about that streaming. Kyle said XCAT is building some very bullish things on the back end. Team Polygon. Hey, it looks like y'all been knew about it then. Yeah, if you got everybody confirming, Rhoda, me, Kyle, DeAndre, hey, it's a buy. Definitely a buy. All right. Yeah, Kyle even says we might be doing a collaboration. Hey, keep us in the loop, Kyle. I love the concept, and I want to be at the forefront. I don't want to be left behind. So I'm buying my bag. I got it ready, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, you meet next week. Yeah, keep us in the loop, bro. Definitely. All right, so yeah, XCAT's one. Another one that I'm looking at as well is SKALE. This is more of a what I would call more of a high risk play. Definitely don't just go in here and just buy it just because I'm telling you to buy it. But if this does get any volume and momentum, add this to your screener. I think this can be another good project to look at going forward as well. All right, and I feel like I'm short on time. So one last thing, this will be my last thing talk about. So there's a new crypto launching in about 5 days called XEN. And it's actually created by one of the co-founders of Google. And the reason I like this project is a lot of the guys I follow, keep mentioning it. So it kind of came on my radar. But B, the crypto is going to be completely free in a sense that you'll just mint your own token. So there's really no risk. It's not going to have an actual value up front. During the launch phase, you can actually just mint it and pay the gas fee. So I think it's something very cool because it's very low risk. And, if it does succeed, all you had to pay was the gas fee to mint the tokens yourself. There's going to be a limited amount to mint overall. And the longer time goes by, the less free mint tokens you're going to get per mint until it's all gone. But if you want to read the white paper, I have it here. I just dropped it in the chat. It goes over everything about the token as far as how to mint. All you have to do essentially is connect your wallet to the Ethereum network, go to the website in about 5 days, and you'll just mint your tokens from there. There's going to be some staking on the back end as well. It explains all of that. It explains how many tokens you're going to get for each free mint. So what I'm seeing from a lot of guys is they're setting up multiple wallets and they're just going to mint a bunch day one because, like I said, all you're paying is gas fee. Gas right now is like $2 to $3. So what's $2 to $3 risk for an upside potential of, who knows how high this could go. So, I just wanted to let you guys know. And when you stake it, this is the last thing I'll mention. You have a period of days that you can choose to stake it. The more days you stake, obviously, the more percentage you're going to get on the back end. So I'm going to do longer time frames because it's free. I mean, why not? Okay. And based on how many tokens you end up minting and how many days you stake, that will put you in a ranking order. And the higher you are in the ranking, the more of the pool you're going to get. Okay. So very interesting concept. I've never seen a project launch like this. So just off that alone, it caught my attention. So, I just wanted to share with you guys and, I'll keep you updated on future calls, kind of where we're at with it. But in 5 days, it's gonna launch, guys. Here's the official Twitter as well, just so you can stay in the loop with it. And let's get this money.